Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication using the Lattice method. So 35 times 28 is our first example problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So I have my Lattice method model here. We have a box for each of the digits within the problem, and we've also put a line through each box. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply each of the digits. Our answer is going to go in the square, and each digit within our answer is going to go in the triangles. If that sounds confusing, it'll be less confusing as the video goes on. All right. So we have 35 times 28. So on the top of the model here, I have 3 and 5 for the digits in 35. Then along the side, I have 2 and 8 for the 2 digits in the number 28. So we're going to start by multiplying 5 times 2. Our answer is going in the square, and each digit is going in a separate triangle. So 5 times 2 equals 10. So we're going to put a 1 in the top triangle and a 0 in the bottom triangle. Next, we're multiplying 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals 40, so we're going to put a 4 in the top triangle and a 0 in the bottom. Next, we are going to multiply 3 times 2. The answer to 3 times 2 is going to go in this square. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 only has one digit, so we're going to put a 0 in the top triangle and then a 6 in the bottom triangle. Lastly, we're going to multiply 3 times 8, and the answer to 3 times 8 is going to go in this square here. 3 times 8 equals 24, so we put a 2 in the top triangle and a 4 in the bottom triangle. Now the last step is we have to add all the numbers together within the square going along each of the different diagonal lines. So if you look along this diagonal line, the only number within the square is 0, so we're going to put a 0 here. Next, we are adding the numbers in between these two diagonal lines. 0 plus 4 equals 4, plus 4 equals 8. Next, we are adding the three numbers in between these two diagonal lines. We're going to add 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6 equals 7, plus 2 equals 9. Then along this diagonal line, we just have a 0. So we have our final answer. Reading the numbers from left to right, 35 times 28 equals 980.